everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Say hello to Thiago. Hey, Papa. So I got daddy duties today. So today, actually no, let's talk about welcoming you guys to the channel. Welcome to the channel, right? And if you're not new to the channel, thank you for sticking around. If you're new, thank you for clicking. This has epically become my journey to now max allocation, right? So if you're new to the channel, basically in June we started 2 challenges. One we passed, and we're currently on our phase 2 of the second one, right? And we're trying to shoot for max allocation with FTMO. Strategy is super simple. Oh, what happened? The strategy is super simple. You basically take price from 12 a.m. to 8:30, and you mark out the highs and the lows. So on NASDAQ, 5-minute chart, Eastern Standard Time. So basically, this will be your high, and this will be your low, right? So we're waiting for price to break either that high or low. Today there was news, right? So we had at 8:30 news. We had a strong bearish candle. So what I really wanted to see is I wanted to see the high broken. If I had to pick, my bias, I would have wanted to see the high broken to set up for a sell, but we didn't get that. We got to push to the downside, and then price started to pull back. Then 9:30 came around, and it topped into this order block, right? So at this point, we're still in La La Land. We're in the middle. We're not doing nothing because you're still waiting for either the high or the low to be broken, right? Playing price forward. Eventually, the low gets broken. Now, unfortunately, I did not get into a trade today, and you'll see why. Price keeps going down. I keep following it down, waiting for. So at this point, where you're looking for a market structure shift is this is the high that created the low. So you want this high to be broken, right? So that never happens. So this is the new high that creates the new low. So now you're waiting for this to be broken, right? And it finally starts to happen. Now, I wasn't at the charts at this time. I was just marking it up. I had an alert set for this one on my phone. This was like just a lot of consolidation. I still wanted to win in on this. But if you see, there's a low created, then a high. This is a low. The high, it's a low created, but then this would be the high. Then this was a low, but then the candle ended bullish and it took out that high. So technically, but that's not what I want to see. That's honestly just a lot of fucking bullshit, a lot of wishy-washy shit, right? Like it's just a lot of up and down, a lot of consolidation. That's not typically the price action that I want to see. I want to see this high broken, right? Playing price forward, eventually that high does get broken, right? This is during lunch hour, so it's kind of slow. I still marked up my fib, right, from bottom to top, looking to see if I could get a pullback to get in and ride the wave, right? What was that? Want to say hi to everybody? No. So playing price forward, you'll see we start getting that pullback. Let's pull our fib up. And remember, guys, I am entering in on the 59 now, right? So I'm eyeing it. I'm like itching for this trade because we had 2 losses, but unfortunately, it does not go to the 59. It goes to the 50. So, and then eventually it goes full TP, right? So unfortunately, if I would have taken the trade at the 50, it would have full TP'd. What do you guys think? You think I should change the criteria, take up like a semi position at the 0.50 and then put the rest of the position at the 0.59, and then lower my take profit? Maybe not to 2, but I don't know. You guys leave comments in there and let me know what you think, because this has happened before, right? Where price does bounce off the 50 and just ricochets. And then again, if price does hit the 50 and comes down to the 59 and does hit our take profit, you're still making money. And then, but obviously overall, just still risking 1%, right? So you guys let me know what you think, because if we would have gone in on the 50, we would have made some money today, but unfortunately we didn't. It doesn't meet the criteria, doesn't meet the rules, so I'm really sticking to it for this next month, my rules, because it showed to be profitable over time, right? So we're really sticking to that. But I would love to hear your guys' opinion and what you guys think. And that was pretty much it for today. I took a trade, not on my funded account, on US 30. Right, I just marked that up. So you guys see, I was looking at the 4-hour overall, and we're bearish, right? We've been creating bearish market structure. So before 9:30, my bias was bearish. So I wanted to see either, let's see, come on, this liquidity taken out, right? Or this liquidity taken out. Let's play price forward. So that's my bias is looking for sales. So I want to see that liquidity grabbed and then a market structure shift. So tapped into that liquidity, right? I guess the last up candle before the move, right, would be your order block. 5-minute order block, right? Playing price forward. Took out that liquidity, tapped into the order block. No market structure shift. Created new liquidity here, right? Took that liquidity, tapped into that, and then where do we get it? Right there, market structure shift. So I went in. Where's my short position? I went in here on a pullback, targeting that, and I give it a 40-point stop. I was targeting a 1 to 3, but I only walked away with 1% profit. I'm gonna be completely transparent and honest because that's what happened. So price taps me in, right? At 1 to 1, I went break even, and I took 50% at a 1 to 2, and then price pulls back, and then at this candle right here, I got stopped out. So overall, I made 1%. It wasn't a bad trade. It's a setup that I've been playing around with. I haven't backtested enough to actually have a lot of data, but I do like overall looking at the 4-hour, right, for my direction, and then setting up my bias and taking some trades. The strategy that I have on the channel was more of a set and like get in and out, like execute that trade regardless of what the 4-hour says. We're just going off of like those 3 things to be able to enter the trade because it's profitable, right? Overall, if you look at my Excel sheet, and it's something that I could write. Yes, it's something I could do at work without putting too much thought behind it. So, but like I said before in my other videos, I really do enjoy trading. So I'm probably going to start creating a little more content. You know, maybe understanding market structure, stuff like that, right? Liquidity, understanding liquidity, shit like that. But you guys have a great night. I'm on daddy duties with this little guy, right? So we're going to go, I don't know, we're going to go hang out, have some fun. And you guys have a great day.